So to unlock the door, I don't need to carry a key with myself. Very interesting. I just put my palm. I got this. I click the start, and then I have a code that I have to put in. And once I put in the code, that's it. It's unlocked. And I just want to show you something. Very interesting thing that like every Korean apartment and house has is when you enter the place, you have like a little box here that is like isolated from the rest of the apartment. And the purpose of this is to leave your shoes. You cannot, nobody here goes inside the place with shoes, like nobody. Only dogs. So you take it off, and then all the shoes are here, and then you enter the apartment. As you see, usually it's like a little elevated, so it gives a nice little separation between like the dirty shoes, and then if you come in right now, there are like shoes that are waiting for you here. So if you come closer, and these are only indoor shoes. And then if you come, so this is the bathroom that I'm staying, and also they're like a separate little slippers only for bathroom use. So if you come into the bathroom, like these slippers here, it's only for bathroom. So if I put these slippers and walk around the room, even if it's clean, people are gonna get mad at me. So it's like a culture, and it's like really helpful to keep the place clean. So this is the place I'm staying after quarantine, a slow kitchen, and this is the living room. And if you can see, if you come a little bit closer, the view is pretty cool. It's in the center of a city called Gwangju, which is about 1.5 million people. And I don't know how much you can see if you look outside right now, but there's no lockdown, no isolation, people don't wear masks. And there's no social distancing. And there's like normal life, like there's nothing happened. So if you come follow me, I want to show you the place. This here is my bedroom where I'm staying. Again, a really nice view. And the cool thing is when you take a nap or when you sleep and you leave the windows open, when you wake up from this perspective, you see the clouds. And on a clear day, it's all blue. And you just like wake up and it's like you're in the top of the world. So come just close, I want to show the view just for a second. So this is what I see. So when I wake up, from my eyes perspective, I see the blue sky and a big window. So it's pretty cool. And one thing I really like here is the style of the bed. Like back home in America or even in Europe, the bed is elevated. The mattress has a frame and it's elevated, but here it's very close to the ground and it gives you like more space in the room. Everything just looks much bigger, although the ceilings are shorter than I would say in America. So if I jump, I'm gonna bang my head into the ceiling. So this is the place I'm staying and I really like the view. It's just really hot, but everybody has AC here. And this is the office. This is the office where I'm working right now and where I'm editing my videos. So it's pretty cool, you know. I sit down and here's where I'm doing my vlogs about coronavirus and South Korea and the foreign containment facilities. It's I think the walls are made of steel and concrete instead of wood like in America. So it keeps it like you don't hear your neighbors, you don't hear the screams. If somebody's listening to loud music, you don't hear anything. So I really like this, so no distraction.